Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Josh from allyourapple.com. I want to start off by saying I really appreciate all of you guys checking out my videos so far. I did a first look at Air Display for the iPad a couple days ago, and a couple of you subscribed, and I just wanted to let you know I really appreciate it. But today, I actually wanted to talk about a really neat piece of software. It's a window manager called Divvy, and that's from Mizage software, and I hope I'm saying that right. It's M-I-Z-A-G-E, so if I got it wrong, I'm sure somebody will let me know. But Mizage released Divvy, which is a really great window manager. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up Safari so you can kind of get a look. And most of the people that are familiar with like this little button up here know it's not always the most effective way to maximize your window, because by default, well, in Safari anyways, oh, hold on a second. Whenever you click it, it just kind of takes it to what Apple feels is the correct page width. And a lot of the time you still want to do full screen browsing. So to pull up Divvy, I'm going to go ahead and click up here. And it kind of brings up this selection of boxes that you can kind of drag. So let's say that I wanted to take it full screen. I could just drag in this little window and release, and it automatically makes the window full screen for me. It actually would have expanded it all the way, but I've got my dock not set to auto hide right now, so that's why that happened. But I mean, let's say that I wanted to maybe like read a document while I'm also surfing the web. So I could just resize Safari again and say I just want to take up the left half of the screen, and then I've got a PDF down here. And let's say its proportions were all crazy and out of whack, and I just wanted to be able to see both of them at the same time. I could bring up Divvy again, but instead of clicking, this time I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, and then I could simply drag on the right half of the screen and release, and it will resize the window over there. So as you can see, it's actually a really effective window manager in that respect, and it lets you, well, like the name says, divvy up your screen real estate very easily between applications. Now, another neat feature, I mentioned that you can do a keyboard shortcut. I'll go ahead and hit that again, but if you hit the little gears icon up here, you can kind of configure some of the options in Divvy. So, you can have it to set to start at login, you can have it display in the menu bar like I had, you can have it keep the panel open until dismissed, do animations and whatnot. And you can set a global hotkey to display the panel. And I actually use their suggested example of Control-Command-Space to activate mine. So every time I hit that, it's going to bring Divvy back up. And the other cool thing is whenever you activate it, you can define keyboard shortcuts, or you can just make it like a single key. So I've got mine set for whenever I hit the 1 key, it will go ahead and make a window 100% and take up the entire screen. I've got 2 to do the top half and 3 to do the left side 50%. So now I'll go ahead and create a new shortcut, and we'll go ahead and click here and we'll call it 4. And I don't have one defined for 50% right yet, so I'll go ahead and drag a box to say that's the portion of the screen that I'd like to take up whenever I hit 4. Hit accept, and then we'll go ahead and click out for a second, and I'll go ahead and mess the windows back up so you can kind of get an idea. And this time we will use the shortcut again. Let me go ahead and mess this one up too. Whoops. Alrighty. So let's say I want to do this one on the right. I'll just go ahead and hit 4. And I can't believe I just forgot this, but I think it was 2 for the left one. I can't remember though. Oop, nope. Let's try that again. It's been 3. There we go. So yeah, it's really easy to set up. Even the graphical user interface, like if you just want to drag to do it, is still really fast to resize your windows. But it's also nice that you can kind of have shortcuts defined for whatever you think you'll commonly arrange your windows. So this is just the demo version, so if the little prompt pops up asking me to buy it, I apologize. I have not had a chance to purchase it yet. But so far, so good with the demo. It's a lot of fun to use. It's really simple, and it works really well. So that's Divvy, and thanks for watching, everybody. All right, catch you later. Bye.